and ensuring public safety in the breathtaking scene of a pristine forest. A woodworker is putting his all into using a chainsaw to cut through a tree with a diameter of 130 cm. The durability of the chainsaw is clearly demonstrated by its ability to handle such significant challenges like this massive trunk. Each time the blade contacts the wood, it not only cuts deep into the bark, but also showcases the super IOR technology and robustness of the machine. The woodworker, with skill and patience, continues his task, sweat dripping from his forehead, but showing no signs of fatigue. He understands that each cut is not just a step forward in his work, but also a challenge to himself in his tool. The combination of the machine power and the worker's relentless effort paints a vivid picture of diligence and resilience where man and machine, together, overcome difficulties to achieve a common goal. The John Deere 753J, with its powerful engine and agile movement, creates excitement and pride in seeing the machine work efficiently, even in harsh weather conditions. The operator, seated in a warm and safe cabin, controls every movement of the machine. With high precision, each tree is cut neatly and swiftly, a testament to the advanced technology and reliability of the John Deere 753J. The surrounding white snowscape further highlights the machine's strength in overcoming challenges, bringing a sense of satisfaction and achievement upon completing tasks. In such demanding, is the Echo CS121 chainsaw, powerful 116.3 cc engine, and a 90 cm blade is the ideal companion for tasks requiring strength and high precision holding. This chainsaw not only brings a sense of pride in using a top-tier tool, but also joy as the wood gradually takes the desired shape. The durability and high performance of the machine ensure that each cut is not just a job done, but a truly satisfying experience, leaving a feeling of success and contentment after each use. Journey the Mana 2. MRT 2540, with its flexible handling and superior performance, is demonstrating its power in cutting and managing greenery in urban areas like streets and parks. Thanks to its versatile design, the Mana 2 MRT 2540 can operate in confined spaces, a task challenging for larger machines. In an urban landscape, the Mana 2 MRT 2540 easily accesses trees that need pruning without disrupting the normal activities of the area. Its high-quality lifting arm and precise cutting head quickly and safely remove dead or harmful branches, optimizing green spaces. Despite moderate size, the McCulloch 176 boasts impressive power with a durable engine, making it suitable for cutting small to medium-sized logs. This chainsaw is not only a symbol of simplicity and high efficiency, but also an ideal partner in wood, processing the mullock. 176 provides comfort and confidence to its users, Even though it has been around for many years, this model maintains a steady performance and reliability. The sight of neatly and precisely cut wood slabs is a testament to the considerable power of this compact chainsaw, showcasing its strength in every cut. Deep in the forest, the Komatsu 951 with a CL164 cutting head demonstrates exceptional strength in cutting. Tipper equipped with one of the most advanced cutting heads. The CL164 allows the KTU 951 to easily handle large tray, dividing them into small, manageable sections. The powerful engine and advanced control system optimize cutting performance, reduce the time needed to process each tree, and enhance adaptability to any working conditions. Wood cutting dressed in specialized protective clothing and a sturdy safety helmet. An experienced woodworker is intensely focused on his task. He approaches a large tree trunk about 80 sambasanim in diameter, a job that requires precision strength. The Stay Contra 1959 chainsaw in his hand draws the light, its blade touching the tree trunk smoothly and precisely separating the thick layers of wood steel. 61 operates the sound of the blade cutting into the wood rings, out like music, each stroke radiating confidence and strength. Holding this chainsaw not only brings pride in owning one of steel's most powerful models, but also joy in knowing that any task can be completed quickly and efficiently. The reliability and power of the Steel 661 make every trip into the forest a truly satisfying and safe work experience. The Husqvarna 560 XP chainsaw with a 59.8 cc engine capacity and a 20-in blade is the ideal tool for high-performance tasks in the forest as it slices through tree trunks. The strength and precision of the Husqvarna 560 XP are clearly evident thanks to the X-Torque technology paired with the low-VIV anti-vibration system. The saw not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also minimizes emissions, making every job not only effective, but also environmental friend. Using the Husqvarna 560 XP feels distinctly different as each cut is both smooth and incredibly powerful. This brings joy and confidence to the user, knowing they are handling one of the world's leading chainsaws. The robustness and reliability of the Husqvarna 560 XP ensure that each cut is not just productive, but also a comfortable and safe work experience. The TMK 400 cutting head, with its robust and versatile design, is the ideal tool for tasks requiring precise tree cutting, capable of handling tree trunks up to 40 cm in diameter. The TMK 400 allows users to make clean and efficient cuts, reducing both time and labor. This cutting head is equipped with an advanced hydraulic system, allowing for easy adjustments in compatibility with various types of machinery, enhancing flexibility and operational efficiency.